These.
There was 80 you last time, bro.
I said, nah, he disrespected, so he had to get put in his place real quick.
So I was like, damn, I thought it was...
No, we had a quick misunderstanding.
Ah, he's dead. Waste too much time.
Yeah, oh.
Kill that other guy. Hear that I'm trying to say I'm gonna spit on your whole team?